In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use Commonwealth Tap and Pay. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. You will be able to use Tap and Pay if you have the latest version of the Commonwealth Bank app. You will be able to find the option inside of the app when you go to the home screen. So first of all, to check if your device can use Tap and Pay, open the Commonwealth mobile banking app and at the top right corner of the screen, check to see if you have the Tap and Pay option. I've highlighted it in the picture that I'm showing you. As you can see, it's a little phone icon. If you do not see that option, you will not be able to use Tap and Pay, and there is no workaround to this, so keep that in mind. The only way to use Tap and Pay is by tapping this icon at the top right corner of the home screen. When you tap that option, you will be immediately redirected to a page where you can set up Tap and Pay. It is going to ask you which card you would like to add to Tap and Pay, and you have to select the specific card. You can also repeat this process many times if you wish to alter the card later. But anyways, after you select any of the eligible cards that you have, tap Next at the bottom. You will be able to select the tap style. You can choose between Wake and Tap, which allows you to wake your phone screen without the need to unlock and tap the terminal to pay. You also have the option to unlock and tap, which means that you have to unlock your phone first and then select the terminal to pay. Or you have the third option, which is the one that has most steps in order to improve security, where you have to unlock the app, open the Commonwealth Bank app, and enter your phone's security lock. Afterwards, tap the terminal with the Commonwealth Bank app unlocked and you will be able to pay. Regardless of which option you choose, the tap style will be enabled and you are going to be able to use Tap and Pay as long as it is enabled through this window. Like I said in the beginning of the video, if you do not see the option at the top right corner of the home screen, there is no workaround to this and you will not be able to use Commonwealth Tap and Pay. I hope I was able to help you on how to use Commonwealth Tap and Pay. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.